Hello, this is Dr. Laura Heath, your professor for college algebra. I wanted to make this video so that I can show you all of the many features that are available on Blackboard, kind of run through and highlight some of the important things that you'll see. When you log into Blackboard, the first thing that shows up is your your dashboard. And we have a task list designed to kind of get you through the course. I have some announcements here, messages, and then everything through the course can be referenced through this green menu on the left. Just below the dashboard, you'll see Syllabus. Click on the syllabus and read through the syllabus for your class from cover to cover. It is so important. When you click on that, it brings you to my faculty web page, and you want to open up the syllabus and view. Take the time to really read through that. The first page shows you the course information in terms of what textbook. Well, this class doesn't require a textbook. It does require an access code. And I'll show you that I've actually made another video on how you can get started with the online homework portion of the course. And on the first page, you'll also see some information about the access code that's required. The second page of the syllabus gives you a breakdown of how points are assigned. The third page for the pure online students is for testing information. Very, very important testing information. You want to read through that entirely. And then the next few pages are some general college online course information and college information. And then what I've done on the last page is I've given you specific detailed instructions on how to register for the online portion of the course through Pearson Mylab. So read through that from cover to cover, and if you have any questions, please email or post on our discussion board in Blackboard. So going back to Blackboard, uh, what you'll be using probably mostly in the course are the lessons and learning modules and the discussion boards. This link will take you to the online homework. We've got some other web links and other resources. When you click on the lessons and learning modules, you'll see that I've divided it up into groups. The first module is a general discussion. If you have any general questions about the course, you can post those in this learning module. If it's a personal question, please email me directly. Do not post it in a general for everybody to read. The second learning module is on the introductions. This is where I would like you to post by creating your own thread and an introduction, so you can introduce yourself to myself, the teacher, as well as other students, and read other students' postings and respond to other students. This is going to help me get to know you as the students, as well as you will get to know each other. The third learning module is how you get started with the online homework on Pearson, Mylab, and Mastering. When you click open that learning module, I have 4 items in here. The first is just general information, and you can also refer to that last page of the syllabus. And then what I've done is I've made a video for how you can register online with the Pearson Mylab. I've actually made a lot of videos, and what will be useful for you is to adjust the quality of the videos. When you press play, you'll see that on the bottom you have some different options, and if you look at the gear here, that will allow you to change the quality. If those videos are pretty blurry, you want to make sure you increase the quality of the video so you get a nice clear picture and you can hear me. You may need to adjust the volume, but you'll see that that will definitely help you out. So read through this, watch this video to get more information about how to get started with the online portion of the course. When you get registered with the online portion of the course, you will begin to do the orientation exercises. If you get stuck on any of the orientation exercises, I have created a video for you to watch that will give you more information. It's actually what I've done is I've worked out every single problem that you do on your homework for the orientation I've done here and recorded myself working it out so you can have an idea of how to um, complete the orientation exercises. We also have another item on this is just the general information that you want to make sure you complete that orientation exercises. Now I'm going back to the learning modules, and I've briefly went over the first three learning modules, the general discussions, the introductions, and the online homework. Now, the rest of the modules are divided by the tests. Your first test is going to be on Chapter R and Chapter 1, and that test is, the window is provided there for you. You've got a few days to take the test. The earlier you take it, the better. And when you click open that learning module, it is divided into lots of folders here. The first gives you an intro. You'll see all of those. You can read through that. I have some instructor notes here, videos, and discussions, homeworks, and tests. If you don't see all of this information, it may be because those folders are closed. So you can open up the folders. And one folder that I really want to draw your attention to are the videos. I spent a lot of time making videos and in fact doing every single one of your homework problems and creating a video so that if you get stuck on any homework problem, you can come to this section in Blackboard and watch the video to see exactly how I solve a similar problem. So, and so I start off with an introduction. I give you some notes. You can view the videos if you get stuck on the homeworks, and then you also need to complete a discussion. The online discussions are required before each test. To get the credit for doing it, you need to show a step-by-step solution to a challenging problem, and you need to respond to at least 2 other students. You must do that before the test in order to get credit for the discussions. The homework assignments are completed on the Pearson Mylab, and then the last folder here gives you information about the tests. Online students will be taking their tests in the testing center, so you can refer to the syllabus for more information about that as well. So that's a typical learning module for chapter tests. There's tons of resources available here for you. If I go back to the learning modules, you'll see that the later chapters are listed as well as their test dates. So that was all in the lessons and learning modules tab, and that's the one you'll probably be using most often. Right below are the discussion boards, and this gives you one stop for all of the discussions for the introductions as well as each chapter discussion. Right below that is your online homework with Pearson Mylab. That's going to open up a new window, and you're going to register. Again, watch that video for how to register, and you would go ahead and sign in. I have additional web links and resources there for you to explore. Now, once you have read through the syllabus, you've explored the website, you're going to be ready to begin the homework assignments, and that's done on the Pearson Mylab. So you would have already created an account, and you're going to sign in. And when you sign in, you want to remember that username and password that you used when you created your account. You would log into your course, and once you're here, there's tons more information. If you click on homework, you will see all of the homework assignments that I've given, the dates, as well as the assignments. Now you'll see these are showing up past due, but you can disregard that as for another class. All right, so again, when you're in Pearson Mylab, you want to use these buttons on the left to navigate through the course, your homework, your quizzes and tests, the grade book, study plan. There's a whole ebook. There's tons more information here on the Pearson Mylab website. You want to click on the homework to see your first homework assignment is to complete the orientation exercises. The second assignment is a video lesson. And right next to the video lesson, I've given you the examples that I want you to watch. For section R.2, I want you to watch questions number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. And when you open up that, here you actually see 9 examples and a quick review. What I would like you to do is watch example number 2. You can skip example number 1. Most of the videos are just a couple, maybe a minute, maybe 2 minutes long. So I want you to watch the examples that I've listed here. And when you open it up, you'll see the video load. You can press play. This one is about 3.5 minutes long. Watch that video. Now, I will know as your professor how long you watch those videos for, so don't cheat yourself and skip all of these. You do want to take the time. This is in place of a classroom lecture, so take the time to watch those videos. When you complete watching the videos, the score will turn into 100. And then you can, after you watch the videos, you want to start with the homework assignment that follows. This homework assignment has 18 questions. You can start the questions, do as many as you like at once. It will save your work. And with each of these, I've actually created these instructor tips, and that will help you as long as some of these other help features. You do have quite a few chances to get this right. If you get stuck on any, you can refer to these, and you can also refer to my videos in Blackboard. You have a lot of work ahead of you, and just know that I am here to help. You don't wait till the last minute. You want to get it done as much as you can. Don't skip out on watching those videos, and ask for help when you need it. Good luck this semester.